you had to choose only one cuisine to eat for the rest of your life, which one would it be? For me, definitely Italian, and pasta with marinara sauce would be one of the meals I would have very frequently. Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video. My name is Nicole if you're here for the first time, and today I'm going to show you, I think, the best recipe and also the easiest for marinara sauce. I believe that the secret to the best marinara sauce are San Marzano tomatoes. So San Marzano tomatoes are plum tomatoes that come from south of Italy, from the region Campania, and they have a distinct sweetness to them. They have less acidity, less water, less seeds than other tomatoes, and they just very flavorful. And they say it's because of the quality of the soil that is close to the Mount Vesuvio in that region. So make sure before you try this specific sauce that you get the San Marzano tomatoes. And if you're hearing a lisp, you're not wrong. I just got these aligners this week, so I'm still adjusting to that. So sorry if it bothers you, but hopefully not. And there's really only a few ingredients that you need for this perfect marinara sauce. So outside of the tomatoes, we're gonna be using some lovely extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna be using garlic, some fresh basil, and then we're gonna be using red chili pepper flakes. And that's basically all you're going to need. The preparation time is about 10 minutes and the cooking time is 15 minutes. So let's get started. So first prepare a big bowl and we're going to put the tomatoes inside and we're going to squash them. So you can either use this potato masher or you can just use your hands and squash the tomatoes because they are whole tomatoes. This only takes a few seconds, so make sure you have no big pieces. And I'm doing it with my hands because it actually feels good. And now put 1 cup of water inside of the can. Just rinse the sides a little bit. Don't put it inside yet, but just put it aside. And now we're going to sliver 7 garlic cloves. So now take a large pot and put 1/4 of extra virgin olive oil. Add the slivered garlic. And as soon as it starts sizzling, add the tomatoes. Add the water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of the dry red chili flakes, and now take a whole basil stem and place it right in the center and submerge it. And now cook the sauce for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, the water dissolved. And we have this beautiful pasta sauce. And here you go. I told you this is gonna be the easiest marinara sauce. And in my opinion, it's also the best. At the end, just put it over your favorite pasta. I love it just over spaghetti. Today we're having some ravioli. And just top it with some lovely Parmesan cheese. I hope you try this recipe. I guarantee you, you will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I hope to see you soon.